damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. See you in a better place. How come we gotta talk about family when family's all that we got?
Oras lang sambahin ang lalan mo, para mabuhay habang buhay sa puso't isipan mo. Sino ba ako para mapansin mo? Mga dalangin ko sa'yo, sana'y pakinggan mo. Ako magiging santo para kasama kita dyan sa gawin ng trono mo. Hirap ang pagsubok ng daranan ko.
Hi mga anak, it's been a while. The last time na nakita-kita tayo, it was your graduation day where during the day, I am one of the proudest advisors. My message today is that thank you for all of the memories, happiness, all of the joy, pati yung mga malulungkot na pinagsamahan natin. I just want to thank you for that kasi those are core memories na dadalhin ko wherever I go. So ngayon, sa path, sa career, sa journey ninyo na next, marami kayong makakilala, marami kayong makakasalubha. Iba na to sa mga mukha na palagi ninyo nakikita at nakakasama. Panibagong kaibigan, barkada, at panibagong makakasama. Pero gusto kong sa mga oras, araw, at taon na darating, gusto kong alalahanin nyo pa rin na one day, nagkaroon kayo ng Grace Well Lopez High na STEM at 2026 na solid. Kahit minsan may hindi pagkakaunawaan, pero masaya. Kaya naman, alalahanin ninyo lahat ng mga pinagdaanan at mga na-achieve ninyo ng sama-sama. Siyempre, kasama ako doon. Kaya naman, proud na proud ako sa inyo, saan man kayo dalhin ng journey ninyo. I wish you all the best, good luck, and may all of you succeed in life. Yun lang, at mag-iingat kayong lahat. Magkikita-kita tayo after 4 to 5 years kung saan professional na kayo at lahat kayo ay matagumpay. Paalam!
Gusto ko.